Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this particular video, I will tell you about Werner's theory of coordination compounds. This topic is included in the syllabus of TYBSc Inorganic Chemistry. In this topic, we see the postulates of Werner's coordination theory and drawbacks of this Werner's theory. In this theory, since in 1893, Werner produced a theory of coordination compounds to explain the structure and formation of compounds. He told about the main thing that metal, it possesses two types of valencies, that is primary valency and secondary valency. He told that primary valency gives the oxidation state of metal and the secondary valency gives the number of coordinate bonds. And we know that the coordinate bond means number of donor atoms of ligands that are coordinated with the central metal atom or ion. First we see postulates of Werner's theory. First one is most of the metal shows two types of valency. We have already seen, that is primary or ionizable valency, and it corresponds to the oxidation state or oxidation number. Then secondary or non-ionizable valency, and it corresponds to the coordination numbers. Then second postulate, every element tends to satisfy both its primary and secondary valency. The primary valencies of elements are satisfied by the negative ions. Their attachment to the metal ion is shown by dotted lines, while the secondary valencies of elements are satisfied by positive ions. Their attachment to the metal ion is shown by the thick lines. In each case, coordination number of the metal is fulfilled. Third postulate, every element possesses a fixed number of secondary valency. This number is known as a coordination number. The coordination number shows number of groups attached through coordinate bonds to the metal in a coordination compound. Next postulate, the coordinated groups are firmly held to the central atom while other atoms are not firmly held. For example, in the complex potassium ferrocyanide, that is K4FeCN6, the Cn- are firmly held by ion while K plus ions are not firmly held by the ion. And the last postulate is the secondary valencies are directed in a definite direction in space about the central atom or ion, while the primary valencies are non-directional. These all are the postulates of Werner's theory. Then we see drawbacks of Werner's theory. First, it doesn't explain why only certain elements form coordination compounds. Second, it does not explain why the bonds in coordination compounds have directional properties. And the last and most important drawback is it does not explain the color and the magnetic and optical properties of the complexes. Thank you.